Hey guys, I'm going to be making slime. I'm going to be making fluffy slime, and then I'm going to be making some clear slime. And the fluffy slime is actually going to be purple, and the clear slime is going to be green, and I actually call that one Tinker slime. And because it kind of looks like the Tinkerbell green, so yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. First, I'm going to make the clear slime. And I'm using Elmer's glue, the clear glue. And I'm just going to pour a little bit because I don't want to make a lot of slime. And then I'm going to put in baking soda. Not too much. And then I'm gonna start mixing it. I just grabbed the colored pencil. And you want to mix it in like really nice because you don't want to see like any black, white little cubes in there. It should look like this. And then once you're done with that, you can, I use saline solution. It's pretty dirty because I've been making it a lot with my friends since, yeah. And I'm not going to mention names because I don't have to and it's not important to this. So I just put a few drops. And then you're going to mix this with that. And it's going to start like look like this. Like you're going to want to like not put in a lot so it doesn't clump together. You're going to want to kind of take it out when it's sort of sticky so it can last longer. I recommend you don't use the clear glue because it can dry quicker. And yeah, let's see if it's done. Yeah, it's done. It's gonna look like this actually. So I like to rub it on the table. I'm gonna take it all out. Like that. And I'm just gonna take out the rest like that. Just rub it on the table. And like I said, you don't want to take it out when it's all like clumping, like it turns into a ball itself, because you're gonna want it to get it like when it's sort of watery. You're just gonna want to play with it, because if you don't, then you're not gonna really have good slime that will last long. And yeah, I recommend you guys don't get the clear slime, because if it's the clear slime, you might have like trouble keeping it nice and warm so it won't dry as quick. But yeah, you just have to keep playing with it, and it's really nice feeling. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds really good to me because you can hear all the little air bubbles. And hopefully I get a few likes. I doubt it, but yeah. I just made this video out for fun. I don't think I'm gonna end up making an actual channel because I'm not the greatest person, but I'm just making this video for fun, and I love jellyfish. So your slime may come out like this. And it feels really nice, actually. It's actually starting to come together. It looks like this, all white. But, yeah. It feels really nice. And I'm just going to want to keep playing with this. I'm so tired of standing. should have brought in my hoverboard, or used it. Yeah. So here's a slime. It's still pretty sticky, but sooner it's gonna get better. And hopefully none of it gets stuck on my overalls, because then it would ruin it. Slime logic. This is slime 101. Don't put it in your hair. There's a lot of people that have to cut their hair because of this. Fun story. My friend and me were hanging out, and we were being stupid. I knew it could get stuck in my hair, but I just happened to want to put it on my face. So I put it in my face, and it got stuck on my bangs. And then my friend was laughing at me, and I put a little bit on the top of her head at like one of her sides, because she parts her hair. And we were both freaking out because I did that on accident, and I had slime in my hair. And so she freaked out, and she grabbed the scissors, and she told me to cut her hair. And like, I was like, no, I don't want to. And she was like, just cut it, please. And then like I cut off all that hair. It was like a pretty good strand. It was like this thick, actually, like the slime. And so her parents never found out because I had to cut it like diagonal, I guess. And it wasn't really noticeable, but you could definitely tell. And yeah, if you guys are still here, you're pretty awesome, because no one really lasts this long making slime. And then we'll grab the green marker. I don't use food coloring, but I just color on top of it with marker. It works, actually. And I'll actually make a part 2 because this video is getting really long. And I know you guys won't like me, so as soon as I'm done painting it, I'll make the next slime in the next video. So yeah, don't worry, I'm gonna put the rest on it. Here. Then you're gonna mix it in with the marker. The marker, I put it in, and it kind of looks really pretty. And the way to get it off is kind of like make it into a ball, like this, kind of. And there's a Tinkerbell slime. I'll make another video because this is really long. So, peace out.